Hello everybody. So today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about graph the functions. So now I will show you how to answer. We put negative y go to the right, negative number 1 go to the left. So we will have about 4x plus 1 is greater than positive y. And this one we can write about y is smaller than 4x plus 1. Now let's go to the second one. Y we put on the right, number 2 we put on the left. So we have x minus 2 is greater than, is smaller than or equal to y. And we can write about y is greater than or of x minus 2. After we arrange this one, this is easy for you to write about the function in here. Now let's say y equals to 4x plus 1. So I will choose the point related to this equation. So I will choose about s equal to number 0. So when s equal to number 0 in here, we can find about y equals to number 1. So s equal to number 0, y equal to number 1 in here. Now let's go to s equals to number 1. So we put number 1 in here. So 4 plus 1 we have 5. So y equals to number 5. So this is about number 1. This is about number 5. And now we connect two points together. Because we have the equal sign under the sign in here, so we need to use about the straight line. Now let's go to the second one. So I suppose that y equals to s minus 2. So I choose about s equal to number 2 because 2 minus 2 you got about 0. So number 2 should be in here. Now when I choose about s equal to number 0, so we put number 0 in here. Y equal to negative number 2. So the value of this one should be in here. This is about negative number 2. And now we connect two points together. Now let's go to inequality. When y is smaller than or equal to 4x plus 1, that's about this line in here. This is smaller than, so that should be go in here. And y is greater than or equals to s minus 2. So that should be about this line in here. Now we combine two lines. We see that this area we have two arrows that go together. So this is the area we need to concentrate. So I need to shade it in here. I need to shade in this area. So the last one, find 3 points that satisfy both equations. So if we look on the graph, I will choose about this point in here. That's about 1, 0. The next point, I can choose the points on the line because we have the equal sign in here. So I will choose this point in here. So that should be about 2, 0. And I can choose the point in here. That's about 0, 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.